Hi, I'm Ryan from Landscapeplus, and today we're going to be looking at the new CC-2 connector from In-LITE. The CC-2 connector is a great little accessory. You can use it to extend existing cable, to repair damaged cable, and to spur off in a different direction. In-LITE have redesigned the CC-2 connector to make it much quicker and efficient when installing one on site. So let's have a look at the changes now. So here we've got two lines of cable. I'm going to quickly show you the old system so that we can see the differences between the new and old style. So with this one, you've got your guide that you'd pop on into the connector and then screw the top on. But this was the bit that I found difficult. So on the second line of cable, you do the same process into the guide. But here it's hard because there wasn't much room to maneuver to really get any purchase when you're screwing the second side on. So I think it's a great change of what they've done, but that's how the old style worked. So now we're going to take a look at the new CC-2 connector. So three components again. So you've got the guide, but this one's slightly different. So this clips around the cable to help keep it straight, which is a slight problem with the old style system. So that clips around there like that. Into the connector again, and then a slightly different top. So it's a twist top as opposed to a screw top. So that twists round like that. And then the same process on the other line that you're taking in a different direction, or if you're repairing. So guide round, clips on, into the unit itself, and round again. So a much quicker and cleaner way to attach a CC-2 connector. So that was a quick look at the new CC-2 connector from In-LITE. If you've got any questions on the connector or the In-LITE system itself, please get in touch with a member of the team.